Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Global Methane Forum. I'm super excited to see so many people here, and it sounds like this is almost like a methane reunion for a lot of people, which is wonderful to see all these faces, familiar faces and friends, and some new ones too. I'm Monica Shimomura. I work at the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. I'm the U.S. co-chair to the Global Methane Initiative's Biogas Subcommittee, and I wanted to welcome everyone from the U.S., but I also wanted to pass the mic over to my colleague, Fifi.
All right, thank you, Monica, and welcome. Good to see everyone here. I'm just wondering, those at the back, if you could hear us clearly. Okay, good. All right, so my name is Fifi Bwedi from the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, Ghana. I happen to assist Monica and Matt as co-chair on the Biogas Subcommittee. And we'd like to welcome each and everyone here, and hopefully we get to have a great time.
Yeah.
As well as our online participants.
Oh, thank you. That is a good point. This is a hybrid meeting, so we welcome our online participants, and this session will be recorded, and it will also, you can have the recordings and the presentations. Okay, so our colleague Hussein Zaki from Canada, our third co-chair, is online. I'm wondering if Hussein, if you are online, you can unmute yourself and provide some welcoming remarks from Canada.
Yes, hello everyone. Not sure if you can hear me well.
Yes, we can.
Yes. All right. Hello everyone. My name is Hussein Zaki. I'm a project engineer with Environment and Climate Change Canada. So Matt Hamilton, who works in our group as well, is the co-chair from Canada, and he's not able to join us today. So yeah, glad to see there's a lot of participants in at least the view that I see. So excited to have all these people to join our technical sessions today. So.
Thank you, Hussein. We are missing Canada today, so thank you so much for participating and providing those welcoming remarks. I will provide just a brief overview of what GMI is. Hopefully many of you know what GMI is, but if you don't, or if you're not as familiar, this will provide some context for this meeting. So, as we said, the Biogas Subcommittee is co-chaired by 3 countries. Ghana is our recent addition, and we're super excited for Fifi to join the leadership team. We have Matt Hamilton from Canada and myself from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. So GMI has been, it's an international public-private partnership. We are focused on reducing methane as a barrier. We're focused on reducing methane as an energy source. We work not just in biogas, but on oil and gas, coal mines, and the Biogas Subcommittee touches on municipal solid waste, wastewater, and agriculture. And this session is a little bit more focused on solid waste, as that is kind of the hot topic right now. But we do welcome our agriculture and wastewater members, and please feel free to join the conversation, because I do think the idea of this is really to have a dialogue. We have strategic partners with the Climate and Clean Air Coalition, UNECE, who is also hosting this meeting with us, the Global Methane Hub, UNEP, and the World Bank, just to name a few of our strategic partners. So I don't know how many of you know, but we've been around since 2004. So that means we've been around for almost 20 years, which is a very long time for an international organization. And we've done so many activities and projects during this time. And so this slide, this just highlights some of the work that we've done over the years. I think one of the notable things is that for this group, particularly, is that we've developed more than 60 tools and resources on methane mitigation, and all these tools are available on the GMI website. They're free, they're for you. Another thing that's notable is we've reduced 643 million metric tons of CO2 equivalent over the years. So again, it just shows when a group of people come together, a group of countries come together, what they can do. Here are some of the things that we've done. We do assessments. We've done nearly 2,000. They could be from pre-feasibility studies, measurement studies. We've done more than 400 capacity building workshops. So trainings, webinars, outreach efforts. We've done about 1,000 partnership activities. So this would be in that category. Again, bringing people together, technical experts, government, policy, industry to come together to meet and network and to learn about things. So for the biogas subcommittee, our goal really is to increase engagement within the community. This hopefully is for you to share information, learn from each other about the projects, the challenges that you might have, bringing the community together just like this to really meet and think about what kind of solutions that we can provide to each of the countries. It's looking at how we can explore different opportunities. Again, the whole point of this is really, if there's challenges, how can we figure out what the solution to those challenges are? We typically meet annually, once a year. Again, meeting in person is really, really important, I think, to get to know each other. We are meeting more virtually, especially since the pandemic. So the idea really is if we can meet virtually to substitute for those times when we can't travel and meet in person. So we have a lot of biogas delegates that are online. However, I think if we can renew that interest on country partnerships, as well as NGOs, stakeholders that are involved, people who are here right now online as well as in this room, I would love it if you could let us know, Fifi and I and Hussein and Matt, how we can better help you. I think that's been some of the challenges that we have, is not knowing what our membership is interested in doing, or what we can do to help you help solve this methane mitigation problem that we have. So again, how to engage with GMI. We have a how to reach out to you, contact us. These are different websites. We have a social media following or activities, I guess, that more quick real-time information can put out there, helping you get the word out. So we have a number of tools that hopefully you're already aware of, but these are some of the tools that, again, can help you. We have the Biogas Toolkit. It highlights some of the tools that are located in centralized locations. You can filter it. It's a database of information that can help you again. We also have a measuring and reporting verification resources. This is an online tool that helps. It's more high level, but again, it is available for use. It's on our website, and hopefully you have already been there and you're able to and see how valuable it is to you. So something that's it's coming out, or it has come out, is the GMI policymakers framework for addressing methane emissions. So this is a guide to how to do projects step by step. The resources in there for you if you're starting from zero to go to all the way to the finish, and it's supposed to help you figure out what to do in the different frameworks to get to that methane mitigation point. Again, we have a lot of tools that hopefully you already know about. We have the suite emission tools, the landfill gas screening tool, Organics, AD screening tool. So all these things are on our website, and hopefully you've already used them. We had, with Environment Canada, we've been doing a webinar series, Mobilizing Methane Action at Open Dump Sites and Landfills. It's a 4-part series. We've already had the first 2. They were quite successful, and we are trying to do more series. So this one was focused on landfills, but we would like to do one on agriculture, as well as one on wastewater. So this, again, if you have ideas or anyone here, we can help create that. And we would love to partner with different organizations to do this. And it's been really great. Environment Climate Change Canada and US EPA has branded this with a GMI biogas subcommittee, but we hope to do something with Ghana as well, and maybe the World Bank, as I see Stefania nodding. So again, these are the things that the biogas subcommittee is doing. So we'd love to work with you to do more of these types of activities. So now I think we are going to invite our Goran and Dushan to come up here to do the Southeast Europe.